This car was a masterpiece in the 80s, and it still is today. Every car event that I go to has several BMWs that show up and show off. BMW basically took a family four-door sedan and slammed a racing engine in it. It's one of the original sleepers. This BMW, or Beamer as it's nicknamed, is regarded as a perfect blend of performance, efficiency, reliability, and refinement. This particular BMW M5 is one of 1,300 that were built for North America. The first generation of these M5s were the fastest production sedans in the world. They could go 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds and had a top speed of 148 miles per hour. It's one of the rarest regular production BMWs still to this day. I want to give a special shout out to my friend Freddie for loaning me this black beauty. It's 37 years old and it still runs like it's brand new. The engineering on these BMWs is just crazy. If you want to see more quick Car Chronicles, go to Eddie in Service and subscribe. Leave some comments and maybe even some requests, and I'll try to do whatever car I can find. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.